Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word neurotic. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Every time something goes wrong, Jane becomes neurotic and obsesses over the smallest details. Neurotic refers to someone who is excessively anxious, obsessive, or emotionally unstable, often exhibiting irrational behavior or reactions. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.